In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload and change images on Wix. To get started, open your website inside the Wix editor. This is the main editing area where you can change the layout, text, images, and design of your site. If you are on your Wix dashboard, select the site you want to work on, then open it in the editor. Once the editor loads, take a moment to let the page fully appear. This will make it easier to click the correct image and avoid selecting the wrong element by accident. Now find the image on your page that you want to change. Click directly on the image once and you should see a small floating menu appear near it. This menu gives you quick access to image options, including the option to replace it. If your goal is to add a brand new image instead of replacing an existing one, use the Add Elements option. Click the plus icon, then choose Image from the available element types. From there, you can add an image area to your page and place it where you want it to appear. Once the image is selected, look for the Change Image button in the floating menu. Click Change Image to open the media selection window. This is where Wix lets you either choose an image that is already saved in your site media library or upload a new file from your computer. This step is useful because it keeps all of your site images in one place, making it easier to reuse them later if needed. If you want to use a new image from your computer, click Upload Media. A file window should open, allowing you to browse the folders on your device. Select the image file you want to upload, then confirm the upload. Make sure the image you choose is clear and appropriate for the space where it will appear on your website. A high-quality image can make your page look more professional, while an image that is too small may appear blurry when stretched. If you already uploaded the image before, you do not need to upload it again. Instead, select it from your Wix media library. Your library may contain images you have used on other pages, as well as any files you have uploaded in the past. Take a moment to choose the correct image, especially if you have several similar files saved there. After selecting the image you want to use, click Choose Image. Wix will place that image into the selected image area on your page. If you are replacing an existing image, the new one should appear in the same location. If you added a new image element, the selected image will fill that new element. At this point, check how it looks on the page. Make sure the subject of the image is visible and that it fits well with the surrounding content. Next, use the Settings panel to adjust the image if needed. Depending on the image and layout, you may want to crop it so the most important part is centered. You can also apply filters or adjust the design settings to better match the style of your website. These options help you make small improvements without needing separate editing software. Keep the design consistent with the rest of your page so the image feels like it belongs there. Once everything looks the way you want, review the page one more time. Make sure the image is positioned correctly and that it supports the message of the section it appears in. When you are ready to make the change live on your website, click Publish. Publishing saves your changes to the live version of your site, so visitors will be able to see the updated image. That covers everything you need to know about uploading and changing images on Wix.